Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is my work from home best friend. This is my Ember mug in the sage green. I absolutely love this. This is a 14-ounce mug, and it comes with a charger as well as a lid, which does an amazing job at keeping your coffee or whatever drink you like at the optimal temperature. So this Ember Smart Mug is really cool for anyone who loves their drinks to stay nice and hot, which I think is most people. And if you're like me and you take a long time to drink your coffee, this is the perfect solution. You do not have to continuously reheat your coffee in the microwave, which is going to really affect the flavor. This keeps your coffee nice and hot with the long-lasting battery, and you can use the app to really pinpoint and control the precise temperature that you like your coffee to be at. So this is such an awesome way to really preserve the integrity of your drink, and you also don't feel rushed, and you can drink it as fast or as slow as you want. So I love to have this by my desk when I'm working from home so that I can sip on my coffee while I'm working and keep it at the perfect temperature. So I think this is such a smart idea, and it's also really easy to take care of by hand washing. And not only does it work really well and is totally customizable, but just look at this beautiful mug. It's gorgeous to look at, and I love this color. So I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.